Let's watch Indian actress favorite food. Nayanthara, ghee rice with chicken curry. Pooja Hegde, gongura chicken, gongura mutton. Anushka, pappu avakaya. Nidhi Agrawal, idli. Rasmika, sambar rice, chocolate brownie with ice cream. Srilila, paneer mandi, pallila pudi. Samantha, salmon fish. Sai Pallavi, rasam. Tamanna, Sindhi Kadi. Trisa, Pajampuri, Pappu.
Thank you for watching this video. This is Viswa, creating the unreal, making it feel real.